Welcome to the S5 Prestige Tango Red. Woo! This thing is just beautiful to look at and drive. So being that it is a Prestige, it's a 2019 Prestige S5. Of course you're gonna get the massage seats in this baby. Nice Alcantara interior. Carbon inlays was an option in this. This one does have the advanced adaptive cruise control with lane assist. All the top view cameras, which is really nice. Thinking I should do this one, get it. That would be nice. It was fun just driving around, giving it a quick wash. Okay. Carbon inlays, also got the park assist where it's gonna assist you in getting you a parking spot, but I don't think there should be a problem with this car. Oh, that AC. This one's also got the upgraded B&O S-line badging. Just another beautiful car.